Okay, so we've got our wiki installed. It's all looking pretty smooth now, but there's still some changes we need to make before it's kind of operational on your server. First thing you should notice is these links here. And if you look down the bottom here, this piece here, this little section here, when I hover over the links, it shows that what we're basically broadcasting in the footer links is articles from foundationskin.org and not the website we're on at the moment, which is foundationdemo.org. So what we need to do is we need to change these. If we go back to the install page on, well, we're probably there already actually, on the install page. If we scroll down to footer links, you'll see that we've got a little block of code here. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to create an article called Popular Pages. Let's paste that in there. Now I'm going to change these to these, and that'll take me a little while to do that. So I'm going to pause the video and then come back when I've finished. Okay, so I've added all of those pages in here now. Save. It doesn't matter that none of these pages here are created, that's not important. So once we've got this page here finished, we need to go to our browser and look at the page source. And what we're looking for is this little line here where it's popular pages, and then there's an RS feed on the end of it. So basically we'll copy this here, and then in the Foundation Skin folder we need to open footer PHP, scroll down to line 54, popular, and paste it in there and save. Return back to the wiki and refresh the page. Now sometimes it may take a little while for this to populate, but once it's done, it's done. It should only take a while the first time. Once it's done, it will load fast the second time and thereafter. So when that's eventually finished, because it will take a little bit longer than a normal page load in time. So when we scroll back down to the blue popular, we can see, as in the links that appear here, that we're now on to our own wiki and not another wiki. This is another one I did earlier. So that's that. So the lines you're looking for to change are lines 54, 77, line 100 and line 123. Okay, awesome. So I know this might be a little bit irritating getting this set up, but once it's set up, it's done for life. All you'll ever need to do to change any of these links down the bottom here, come to the wiki page that has the pages listed, and just change these to the title and link, and that will be immediately populated into the footer link. So customizing footer PHP is a one-time deal. Once it's done, it's done. Okay, thanks for watching.